In today's topic, I'm going to talk about who can study UX and UI design. So I got a lot of queries on the comment section. So can I study? I'm completed this major, or I have done this BE, or I have done this BCom, or some other the major, minor certification. So can I study, or who can able to study this UX and UI design? So there are n number of discussions over there. So I just want to clarify a few things. So who can study UX and UI design? Let's get started. Hello all, I am Rambal from Aspira. Happy to see you again. Many people, they were asking about who can study UX and UI design. So my answer is very simple. Anybody can learn UX and UI design. So here I am going to list the people group who can able to study UX and UI design. Number one, designers. So designers in terms of graphic designers, industrial designers, even architects or any other design discipline, they can able to study UX and UI design. They can able to upgrade their skill quickly. So I was talking about little earlier. So why the architect can switching over their career into UX and UI design. I'll give the link of the video in the description, so you can go and check. Alright, so this is the first type of people. They can able to easily learn UX and UI design. Number two, developers. So developers in the sense they can be web designers or web developers or app developers. So they may be any discipline on the product lifecycle development. So they can learn UX and UI design that will help their existing career. They can able to produce or they can able to develop the good looking or UX UI based product development. So and also that will be help them into elevate their career as well. Third one, marketers. Marketers in the sense it could be the digital marketers or the advertising marketers. So it could be anybody. So these categories of people. So they can able to learn UX and UI design. They can able to understand their target audience. Instead of target audience, they can able to understand the user behavior. Accordingly, they can able to improvising their campaigns. So it could be a digital campaign or the conventional offline campaign. So marketers also can able to learn UX and UI design, and they can implement in their the marketing industry, and that will be help them to improvising their campaigns. Number four, entrepreneurs. So entrepreneurs, basically speaking, they want to build their own business along with the digital product. So to understand how to build the product in a digital product, they can able to learn UX and UI design, and they can implement the principles to build their own product. Accordingly, they can build their business as well. Number five, students. So either is an existing student or the completed graduate freshers, they can able to learn UX and UI design, and they can able to improving their skill sets in the UX and UI design. This is one of the most on-demand skill in the market, so that will be help them to getting a job quickly. So here I have one small input. So there are a lot of students from first year and second year, they want to study UX and UI design. So my recommendation, if you are the final year graduate, you can able to learn UX and UI design. So once you are completing your college, along with that, you can able to complete your UX UI design as well as you build your portfolio, so that you can able to getting a job as quick as possible or smaller time period. But if you are in a first year student or second year student, what will happen? This UX and UI design program may not be exceeded 5 months period, and after that what will happen? You have a 1 more or 2 more years college studies, and what will happen? You have the lack of interest on the UX and UI design. You never ever build your portfolio, right? If you are a arts and science student, you can learn UX and UI design on your 5th semester. If you are a engineering student, you can study UX and UI on 7th semester. So in this semester, what you can do, you can learn UX and UI design, and you start building your portfolio. And the final semester for an art and science student, for your 6th semester, you can go and applying an internship job in anywhere. Same like engineering student, you can able to applying the internship on your 8th semester. So no need to go to the college, you can go to the internships, and the end of the semester, what will happen? The final year, you have done your UX UI design course and you have the portfolio, then you have our internship certification, so that you can easily get a job end of your college. So that is the reason I am recommending for the final year student, not the first year or second year students. I hope I had given sufficient data to you, and I hope I clarify few things in your mind. And anyway, I'm going to talk this topic in more briefly in upcoming days. And if you want to discuss anything, we can do it on the comment section. And I hope you like this topic, and I will catch you soon with another interesting topic. Until then, bye bye.